Hello friends, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this quick video I'll show you how to solve mount script error which you get in link to SD app. Now I am assuming that you are trying to move your apps to your SD card and to free your internal memory of your phone. So when you open link to SD after creating partitions, it is possible that your device may show this error. Actually this error is because of the device itself, because some of the devices don't support ext2, 3 or 4 partition. So you need to create the second partition in the format of FAT32 only. So now I have used Aparted app on my phone to create partitions like this. So to remove this error you need to either open such app with which you have created the partition, or you can open the Minitool partition wizard, which is a software or desktop software for creating partitions. So if you have used either of this, then you can open your SD card first and you can back up all your data first. Now I have opened this app, so I'll go to tools and then I will just select this particular part, which is the second part. Now I will just delete this particular part and I will create the create the another part with FAT32 as a format. So you need to first delete this partition and then create it with FAT32 format. So I have already done this, so I'm not doing it here. And once you are done with it, you can just open the link to SD app. I'm not showing the Minitool partition wizard because I have not used that. I have parted this particular SD card with this app only. So now when I open this particular app and click on this 3 dots, also called as draw menu, and if I select the storage info, then you can see that it shows the second part of this SD card in this particular folder called data/SD extension 2 or ext2, and this is where actually all your files go. So after creating second part with format of FAT32 and after recreating the mount script, you must get this particular part here in storage info. So that's it friends, this is how you can remove this particular error in your link to SD app. For more tips and tricks, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also please don't forget to visit my blog technologywindow.com. See you in next video.